Welcome back to another tutorial in the Adobe Premiere Pro course for beginners. Now, in our lesson today, we're going to look at color correction. Now, you can come over here and search for those commands such as brightness, contrast, saturation. From over here, so you can see you have brightness, contrast. You can actually get this commands from over here and then make the changes individually. But there's a very much simple way of doing them. So what you do is you hand over window, select geometry color, and this panel will appear. And with this panel, you can make any changes that you want to your clips, and that will actually affect the clip. So over here, I want to work on this clip. So let's first resize it. Just click and drag like so. Place in here. I want this to be same, so I'll make sure that I've selected that clip. So that's the clip that I want to work on. Now, let me just close this up. We have basic correction, creative, cards, color wheels, and match, HSL, secondary, and vignette. Now, in this lesson, we're going to focus on basic correction. Now, once I select basic correction, you can see we have two parts. We have white balance and tone. Now, under white balance, we have temperature, so you can make it warmer, like so, or you can make it colder, so it depends on what you want. Now, if you want to go back to the original settings, all you have to do is double click here, and it will go back to the original settings. Now, with the tint command, I would advise you not to use it as much because you don't necessarily need it. So I would advise you for now, just leave it as it is. Let's go to tone. So under tone, we have all these commands, the set and total, and the most important ones will be exposure and contrast. So we can increase the exposure or decrease it. So that will either lighten or darken your video. So double click to take it back. Same thing with contrast, so you can increase the contrast or reduce it. You can see the changes. So what we'll do for this specific video is I'll increase the contrast. So choose here, just increase the contrast a little bit. Exposure, and I feel like that looks much better. So if you want to see it before, you can actually click there. So that's my before. This is my after. So before, after. And if I select with the video selected, if we scroll all the way down to the effect, you can see that we've added the geometry color effects. And then under basic, let's just click over here. You can see the changes that we made are still registered over here. So you can go ahead and make the changes from over here, but using this panel is much more easier. Now, what I want to do is, remember we have two such groups. So we have this one here and we have this exclusive clip here. So I want to copy this effect, the settings that I've added to this one onto that one. So what I'll do is I'll head over here where we have the effect. Where it's selected, right click and select copy. I think that here I have my clips, so here it is, this one at the top, and then press Ctrl V to paste the effect. And there we have it. So you can see that the new clip has the same effect as this one. So that's how you do it. Now, for other videos such as this clip over here, we have this clip over here, we have the run, we have different clips. What will you do for it then? First we have this waterfall clip over here. Now I want to add effects to it as well, so I'll make sure it's selected, then I'll head over here to basic correction. Now if you scroll all the way down here, you'll see we have this auto command. Now what it does is Adobe Premiere Pro will scan the video for me and then make the necessary color corrections depending on its preferences. So that makes my work kind of easy. So what I'll do is I just click on that auto, and then you can see the change that has been made. So let's look at our before in our after, and I'm liking our after. This looks much better. It's pop, it's brighter, it has more contrast to it. Let's try another clip. So we have this clip over here. You can do the same thing with plate, so make sure it's selected, click outer, and then new changes will be made so you can look at the before and the after. So before it is actually plain, as you can see after it's popping, it has more color to it. So you have to go through all your videos doing the same thing for each one. So with this one, I'll select outer again. You can see the colors being changed, the changes that we made. Select the value shot over here, click outer. Let's just focus and let's just zoom in. Let's look at it before and after. So before it was actually darker, as you can see it's actually darker, then after it's brighter, the colors are more popping, so it's much better that way. So click again. So again, you just scroll through all your video. We have this clip, the nested video over here. Again, I'll select outer, and then it will make its own changes. So before and after, and there we go. So doing color corrections is as simple as that. Now just go ahead, get your clips, try that out. Remember, different videos will require you to go ahead and use different settings. But the reason why I use the same settings for this head clip and this one is because they are the same video. They were shot at the same time. It's basically the same video, but only at different places on our timeline. So that's why I use the same effect. But for every other video that you have, the waterfall clip, the drone clip, as well as the drone shot, as well as the valley shot over here, we had to use different effects, and that is why I went with the auto command so that it can scan in the clip and make the changes for me.